Hey everyone, here's today's builder number 45. We'll start with addition. 4 plus 9 is 13. Put a 3, carry the 1 over the tens place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. There's 9 tens. Carry your 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So your answer is 1093. Subtraction, 100 minus 84. We can make this an easier subtraction problem. We can subtract 1 from the top, 1 from the bottom. Make this 99 and 83. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. So your answer is 16. Okay, 26 times 2. We'll do this first. 6 times 2 is 12. Put a 2 in the ones place. Carry the 1 in the tens place. Then we're going to multiply the tens place. 2 times 2 is 4. Then we add 1, which is 5. So your answer is 52. Multiplication. 6 groups of 1 is 6. 6 groups of 2 is 12. 6 groups of 3 is 24. Oh, 18, excuse me. Sorry, this is 18. 6 groups of 4 is 24. 6 groups of 5 is 30. 6 groups of 6 is 36. 6 groups of 7 is 42. 6 groups of 8 is 48. 6 groups of 9 is 54. And 10 groups of 6 is 60. Fact families. 32 plus 5 equals 37. We could also say 5 plus 32 equals 37. We could say 37 minus 32 equals 5. We could say 37 minus 5 equals 32. Fact families of 6 times 8 equals 48. We could also say 8 times 6 is 48. Or we could say 48 divided by 8 equals 6. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Okay, rounding. It says round each number to the nearest tens place. Okay, so we're going to underline the tens place. They've done that here. Then you look next door. Okay, if it's 5 or more, we're going to raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. Or if you like that poem better, that's fine too. So we're underlining the tens place, looking next door. This is 5 or more, so we're going to raise the underlined number. So we're going to write the rest of this. We're going to raise the underlined number 1, and then we're going to end in a 0. So 15,425 rounds to 15,430. Okay, even or odd. If a number can be divided evenly by 2, it is even number. Identify what type of number by writing an E for even or an O for odd below. Okay, so that's an odd number because it ends in a 3. This is an even number because it ends in a 4. This is an odd number because it ends in a 5. So 28 is an even number because it ends in an 8. 36 is an even number because it ends in a 6. Okay, fractions. It says illustrate what fractional part is shaded and set it up below. Then write the fraction. Okay, the numerator is on top. The denominator is on bottom. The numerator means it's the number of parts. The denominator means the number of parts that make the whole. Okay. So we're going to let's see. All right, so in this one, they've already done it for you. They've just shown how to do it. So this represents 1 out of 2, okay? And we write the fraction in words, 1/2. That's how we write it, okay? On to the number line. We're going to look at fractions with the number line as well. All we're doing is we're filling in these on top. So this is 1.5. So 1.5 becomes in between 1 and 2. So this would be 2.5. So here is 3.5. It is in between 3 and 4. Here's 4.5. Here's 5.5. So 5.5 is in between, is halfway, in between 5 and 6. Then we have 6.5, and it is halfway in between 6 and 7. And then we have 7.5, is halfway in between 7 and 8. Okay, vocabulary. It says blank is the answer when you subtract. That is the difference. Blank are set of numbers that start at 0 and increase by 1. That is whole numbers. Blank is a number that tells you how many parts. How many parts. Okay, that is the numerator. Blank is the number of parts the whole is divided into. The denominator. And blank is the part of a whole. That's a fraction. All right, hope you guys have a great evening.